Today, in this video, we will see how we can look up a value in a table using both rows and columns. We can build a formula that does a two-way lookup with the help of nested lookup function. Before we proceed further, I have a question for you. Which are the shortcut keys for AutoSum? Your options are Alt and S, Control and S, Alt and equal to, or Control and equal to. Pause this video and try to answer in the comment box below, and I will provide you the right answer in the end of this video. Hi, I am your tutor and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. So let's start. We have a table here and our objective is to get the value where row with the specified employee ID and the column with the specified column name intersects. Both our employee ID and column name are variable, and our value should change when either of the input data is changed. First, we will get the entire row where employee ID is F7600, and then we will get the entire column where column header is department, both with the help of Xlookup, and then combine them together to get the desired value. Equal to Xlookup, open parenthesis. Our lookup value is F7600 in cell A2. Lookup array is A4 till A17 and return array is entire table from A4 till F17. And we got the entire row for employee ID F7600. I won't be explaining much about Xlookup function here. If you need to know more about this function, then I have a separate dedicated video on the same. I have provided the link of the same in the description box below and the I button above. Now let us get the entire column in another cell. Equal to Xlookup, open parenthesis. Our lookup value is department in cell B2. Lookup array is A4 till F4 and return array is entire table from A4 till F17. And we got the entire column for header department. Now we just need to combine these two Xlookups. We'll just cut the Xlookup resulting in column and replace it with the return array of Xlookup resulting entire row. And we are done. Now our value changes whenever we change the employee ID or column header. I hope you got a hang on how to use the nested Xlookup to fetch a value from the table. Now let us jump to the question. Which are the shortcut keys for AutoSum? And the correct answer here is option C, Alt and equal to. So that's all in this video. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.